Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then, tap on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable vibrations where your device is not muted. Now tap on Vibrate to mute your device and enable only vibration. Then scroll down, tap on Vibration Pattern and pick one of the patterns by tapping on them. When you're done, go back and tap on Vibration Intensity. Over here you can adjust intensity of touch vibrations, notification vibrations or vibrations for incoming calls by swiping left or right. When you're done, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!